This is an instructional video for the Optimum Evolve blender, just launched by Froothie. So this is what you get in the box. Firstly, we've got two jugs. This is a blending jug and a cooking jug. How you tell them apart? The blending jug is rounded on the bottom where the blades are, whereas the cooking jug is flat on the bottom. The blending jug is 1800 ml capacity on the markings, and the cooking jug is 1750 ml. Also, you've got the black writing for the millage and the clear writing. So there are a few different ways to tell them apart. How to tell the lids apart? They are very, very different to make it easier for you. On the inside of the jug, we have black, and on the inside of the cooking one, it's silver. Now, when you're using the blending jug, because it has the vacuum function, you do need to ensure that this is completely dry before you start using. That way, it's best for the jug and for the vacuum feature. You also get two different tampers. The one for blending is completely plastic, and the one for cooking is silicone. So you've always got to remember, if you're using the cooking one, always silicone, never use the plastic one. Another thing you get in the box is the steaming tray. So this sits inside the jug. We'll pop it in there. And you need to ensure that when you pop it in, or when you're cooking in it, you never fill above. So it always has to be within the steaming tray. So that's great for vegetables because they'll normally shrink when you steam them. But if you are steaming rice, just beware because rice will swell and expand. So you should only fill it about halfway up if you're doing rice, just to account for that. It also does have a voice activation feature. Just check the manual for those. It always starts with saying, "Hey Froothie." And another thing to be wary of, when you put the different jugs on the base, so if we turn this on now, you'll see that there's a list of menu options. But if you change the jugs from the cooking jug to the blending jug, these options will change. So it's just something to notice and be wary of. But otherwise, we hope you enjoy your blender. Any questions? Hit us up on Facebook, email, or call our office.